How to solve 31 to the power of minus 5 minus 31? Here we can factor this using a difference of power pattern. Let us see. 31 to the power of minus 5, 31. Take 31 as a common factor. 31 to the power of minus 4 minus 1. Taking 31 as a common factor. Next, recognize another difference of squares or pattern. 34 to the power of 31 to the power of 4 minus 1, we can write it as 31 square minus 1 and 31 square plus 1. Okay. Next, you have to calculate the 31 square. When you multiply 31 into 31 square, we get 961. Okay. 961 minus 1 and 961 plus 1. We get 960 times 962. We get 960 and 962. Substitute back 31 to the power of minus 5 minus 31. We get 31 as it is. This one. We get the value of 31 to the power of minus 1. We get 960 into 962. 960 times 962. Next, here 31 as it is, 960 as it is. 962 we can write it as 960 plus 2. Okay. Then use the distributive property. 31 as it is, 960 times 960, 960 times 960 plus 960 times 2, 960 times 2. 31 as it is, 960 times 960 we get 921600. 960 times 2 we get 1920. Okay. Next, 31 times as it is, 921600 times plus 1920. When you add these two, we get 923520. Next step, 923520. 31 we can write it as 30 plus 1. Next, using distributivity, 923520 times 30 plus 923520 plus 1. Okay. 923520 times 30 we get 27705600 plus 92350 times 1 times plus 1 we get 923520520. Okay. When you add these two, we get 28629 120. This is the final answer. Thank you for watching.